Shalom, shalom, shalom. Good morning, beautiful people. This is Chevelle in my second grow room. And as you can see on my banana tree, I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pups here on this banana tree. I left the banana tree out in the cold, and I didn't put it in the greenhouse. And all the leaves were so like dead, so I cut them all off. And so once I did that and I put this in this greenhouse, all the pups start coming up. So I'm going to have more than one banana tree coming up. And I think in the spring, I'm just going to separate them and put them in their own little spot. And I was so excited when I first started seeing them come up. And it's just only been about maybe a month or so. They just started coming up once I put this in the greenhouse. And so, yeah, greenhouse protection is great. So if you don't have just a little greenhouse, I suggest that you might want to get you one, so that way you can protect your plants when you going to put them out to grow. So I have more pepper plants in here. Yeah, these are pepper plants. These are pepper plants. I think this is a mulberry bush that I bought when I made the video not too long ago. And these are some flowers that was in the jug, and they were getting too big, so I replanted them. The lupins is in the back, and then we have some white zinnias coming up. So yeah, I am so excited about what's going on in the second greenhouse here. And these are my cucumber plants. They're growing, and I am going to put them out as well. As soon as time permit, the weather permit, I will be putting all of these plants, and I have a whole lot of room for them. So I'm excited about this growing season here. And so yeah, I just wanted to share that with you, my little pups that's coming up on my banana tree. I hope you guys are having a great day today. And if you're new here, welcome. Like and subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back. This is the second greenhouse. Thank you guys for watching. Shalom and happy gardening.